Howdy. Well, I am feeling a little lonely today. Where's the rest of the crew? I do not know. It's actually end of day. I just wanted to give you a quick intro, and then we're going to get into it with Sarah and Haven and myself. We are going to be milling some Texas mesquite, and this is a great example of an end product, or what we refer to as signage stock or charcuterie stock. Basically, what we're talking about there is material that's usually about 1 inch thick. We might cut it at 3/4 sometimes, we might cut it at 1 1/4, but that's pretty much specifically the range. Now, you would think that you're going to see us just throw up a mesquite log up on the sawmill and just start mowing through it to produce this material. Absolutely wrong. That's why we're showing you this video and future videos into how we approach sawmilling at our business here. We are going to mill this material from what would normally be jacket cut scrap material off the log. And if you don't know what a jacket cut is, don't worry. We're going to elaborate because these videos are meant to be informative, educational, and hopefully just a little bit entertaining. So again, I'm going to give you a close-up just real quick of some of this signage. This is a laser engraved Dripping Springs, just west of Weird, because guess what? Dripping Springs is west of Austin. Unfortunately, Austin isn't as weird as it used to be, but that's for another topic to talk about. But let's take a close look at these things, and then I'll tell you what, let's get with Sarah and Haven, and let's show you how we utilize this material from what would be typically a waste product off this log.
So it's a good example of conversations we have every day here about, well, one, kind of mill strategy, but second, how do we reduce the scrap and get the most productive yield out of this? So this log, at the end of the day, we're cutting 5/4 dimensional boards out of it. And so a normal sawyer will probably just square up this log and make the 4 jacket cuts, which are the 4 outside cuts. However, what are you seeing in this, Sarah? We have an opportunity to reduce any type of waste and get some good product out of it. Haven? Yeah?
That's what I see. I
So,
think we turned this vertically,
exactly.
and we could potentially get some thinner 1 inch board
Yep.
for
Those
signage
are-
material.
All our charcuterie signage. So right here, instead of just whacking this thing off, we'll put this on top, make a series of live edge cuts out of it. And then when we get onto the top side of this, then we'll go ahead and we'll square up that log. Good? All right, cool. All right, so that's perfect. Nice job, nice job. So this is all what we use is, we also provide laser etch and custom etch signage. We do a lot of charcuterie boards, and so look at all this.
Oh wow,
Oh, great, man. Let's take a look. A little shadow on here. Here we go. Yeah, guess what? potentially what would have been waste at other sawmills. We have charcuterie stock, whatever else we really care to call. 3 additional pieces. This log now, Sarah's gonna go ahead and finish it up on the jacket cuts. You might get a couple on the bottom side, you see them? So on the bottom side of this log, you can see you've got a little curve on it. So potentially right there, we'll get a little bit of some more likely charcuterie stock right there, and might even get another piece on this end. If not, we also take advantage of that for signage, which we will show you in another video.
Alright, so here's what we got from what we cut. My personal favorites are the big humps that give you cuts like this, where you've got the bark, the natural live edge all around. I mean, can you imagine what a beautiful sign that's going to be? Love it.
Signage, signage, signage. Possibly an elliptical charcuterie. I mean, we like to do charcuterie, cutting boards. We will rip this down, build cutting board material out of it, but a lot of good signage. Not this one. I mean, look at this. This is my favorite. And this is a book match. This is a book match. He knows what we're going to do with this beauty. Yeah, I'm excited. Look at me. I'm gleaming with joy.
Kid in a wooden candy shop.
So, but in all seriousness, look at all this. And I want to just have people think about just the monetary value of what we could have thrown away. I mean, let's go cheap with this. We build a charcuterie board out of this. $100? We can build 2 out of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Call it 20 charcuterie boards times 100. $2,000, $2,000. Every penny counts because we have a lot more stuff to build. But that is the point. And it is sad to say, I admit, years ago, this honestly went into firewood. Sad to say, but true. So learn from us, do the right thing, and always think outside the box. Good?
Good.
All right?
Start heading in, Tony.
You guys.